I think it's a girl, and I think her name is Petunia.
What?
Petunia.
Petunia possum?
Petunia's back. Looky, Petunia. It's a Petunia. Look her. Now that's very bad focusing. You gotta show her little Petunia tail. Look at Petunia. Oh, she love a kitty cat food.
I hear you making the crunch.
Hi, Petunia. Hi, Petunia. Are you eating? It's okay. It's okay. No, you can eat it. Oh, she left. Petunia. Okay. So this is how we have to prep for filming a video on a house tomorrow. I have to stand outside with Petunia the opossum and whisper into this microphone so we make sure that the microphones are working before tomorrow for the filming of the video. This is completely normal behavior and happens regularly at this house.
Yes. Can you see me now?
Again, what are our daily...
Now I know where the camera is.
Whoops.
Whoa, hello.
What are our daily tasks today, Kevin?
I think our daily tasks are to film the elms.
That's just one task, though. We were going to do 2 a day.
Oh?
Yeah.
And then take a nap. No, I don't know. What is our other task?
Maybe the other task is paint the inside of the other window frame.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
That sounds pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, video in the elms is a pretty big job.
It's a very large task. And then we have to edit together the daily vlog.
Yes.
But I feel like we should have 2 daily tasks a day.
Okay.
So show us what you got.
So these are the essentials. Here's my gimbal.
Yeah.
Here are the microphones that we tested last night.
Yes.
This is the drone.
Yes.
It's been giving me fits. We're hoping it's going to work okay today. I worked on it last night.
It's good. Let's go film a house.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Bones, what's your daily task today, buddy? What's your daily task today? I have makeup on today, so I know I look hard and mannish, but I will never let a backhanded compliment go, ever.
What's up, dude?
What's up? So we are on the way to film the Elms, which is probably the house that I find most fascinating in Natchez. We saw it for the first time 25 years ago when we came here, and I remember we drove by it at night, and it's right in the middle of downtown, but it sits on this lot like way back from the street, and it was lit up, and it just looked sort of like mysterious and magical. And then I couldn't find it again for weeks. I couldn't remember where we'd seen it. Remember me telling you about that house? Do you kind of remember me going, there's this magical house and I don't know where it is? And then we accidentally drove by it again one day, and I was like, there's the magical house. So that's the house we're getting to film today. So I'm very excited.
Am I the star of the vlogs?
Well,
I know, I need a video.
You're very concerned about something. What are you very concerned about?
We're early. We're like too early.
How early are we?
About like 12 minutes.
Let's look and see. It's 1:47, and what time is our appointment?
We'll be there in 1 minute.
Okay, well, we can just drive around.
Well, we'll see if they're there. Maybe they're there.
I mean, look at the things we get to look at as we go to look at the house we're gonna film. There's another one over there. I mean, this town is ridiculous. What do we say all the time when we drive around in Natchez?
Movie set?
Movie set. Like watch, we're about to drive by this house. That in any other town we'd be like, look at that house! And this one, look at that house! And this one, look at that house!
That one needs a little save.
But in Natchez, these are just like, there's a house. There's a house.
Yeah.
There's a house. It's crazy, isn't it?
That's how many great houses there are.
It's unbelievable.
I know we smell like other doggos. I know we do.
He's a cricket. Hey, cricket.
Time as possible.
You just take your time, please.
Are you about ready to go live?
I want this house.
Hey, how good is this house?
I want this house really badly. I always love the houses, but I have a really bad case of I want this house. So this is going to be, it may be an hour and a half video. Put your head shadow. Why aren't you recording that for the vlog?
Oh no, I should record that, shouldn't
Uh-huh.
You didn't go all the way.
I? Oh, all the way, all the way.
I thought you were gonna go all the way, all the way.
Well, did you shoot the front porch already?
I didn't. No.
You didn't shoot that porch?
No. I shot coming around this way.
What good are you?
I don't know.
What are we doing now?
Now we are at our favorite restaurant in Natchez, Magnolia Grill, and we're gonna slum it this time and get chicken.
We're eating lunch at 4 o'clock.
Lunch at 4 o'clock.
You know what I
We
decided?
Just finished our video of the elms, which is fantastic.
I decided that on days where we're filming a house, that filming the house and eating should be our second task.
Okay.
That I'm good with that.
That works for me.
Is that good? So we are
Yes.
now completing our second task. We filmed the elms and we ate. So Kevin, tell us how hard it is, or what the steps are. What goes into.
Yeah. Well, there's the arranging of the houses is actually a pretty big job. So we've got to either find houses for sale, or museum homes, or homes that we know of that we can view, and then once we get that,
We're getting our salads.
we set up the time, so we go over there. Well, we need to get acquainted with the house a little bit, so we take a bit of a tour. That's more you than me typically, and then I will start videoing the exterior. Start shooting the drone shots. I do a lot of drone, and then I do handheld exterior shots. You go get B-roll of every interior room, which takes a long time. We've got to focus on every little thing that you're going to talk about, especially, so that we can cut to that. And then we come back, we mic you up, and then you give us all the genius knowledge that's in your head and all the wonderful flowy words that you say
The big words.
about the house that we're in. And so then that's like half of it.
That's half.
So then I take all of that video and edit it all together, which takes a lot of work. Go find my music that goes with it, which some people like and some people hate.
Hey, keep talking. Just keep talking. Just keep talking. Just keep talking.
And then put that video up, and then you write the description. I make you write the description
Yes.
because
You-
I've been editing for 8 hours.
It's funny that you act like I don't do anything on the video, even though I'm the one who has to research the house and spend hours learning the history of the house.
Never said you didn't.
You
do
always
anything.
hand it to me after you're done editing, like write the description, lazy woman who does nothing on
This
these
is after
videos.
8 hours of editing.
It's
so,
just because you're frustrated at that point.
Hey, I'm done.
So that's what goes into that.
Day 2. Paint is dry.
Paint is dry. So I definitely like this one better than this one. This is more the color that I had in my brine. I think I may even want a little.
Somebody needs to fix that shutter
I
dog.
should fix that. I may want even a little more color, a little more saturation. What do you think?
One on the right's got more color.
No, the one on, the one on the right is more like, it's not the color I want. That one's got more peach in it, and this one has more brown in it, and I want more.
Well, I told you the parlor and the dining room, they're all about you, baby. I don't even care.
You don't even care?
I ain't
Okay.
care. I ain't gonna get in there.
Okay.
I ain't gonna walk
Well,
in
I
there.
don't like these colors.
Huh?
I don't like these colors. I gotta get more colors.
Oh, shoot.
Come here, let's look at this color over here.
Don't care for that, really.
What?
I'm buying more colors.
Oh. Oh, I like this color.
Oh, let's see how that went on.
Good. Yeah.
Dang, that looks good.
That's good. Yep, that's gonna be beautiful. That's
So,
gonna be
yes,
beautiful.
you should explain to them that all of that trim will be that color. We
No,
just
we're
have to
just painting
sand
it.
that some more.
No, we're just painting this. Just this. This is gonna be blue. No.
You,
I wish you could see the look on his face. He thinks I'm serious.
what are you doing? Well, you painted such a clean line that everybody's
know.
going, oh, so it's going to be a blue stripe, I guess.
This has still got to be picked off and sanded all the way down.
Girl, you're
And then
so
this
crazy.
has to be- I wish you could have seen your face. You were like mad and also very confused. I was kidding. That's a square now. No, this has to be stripped. Okay. We weren't gonna strip this all the way down because it was good enough that we could just go down to the kind of bottom layer of lead paint that was still smooth. But one of our worker bees got real excited one day and took a pull scraper in here and scraped it down to bare wood. So now we have to sand it all the way down to bare wood. The end.
You like the view from our gallery?
I love it.
Of the window?
Look at that, it's got a mutton in it. It's one of our box head windows. Maybe a jib, who knows, but it's one of them. And that's the first one coming together. That's thrilling. Hey, Lauren!
Lorianne's back. What's up, Lorianne? All those puzzle pieces, things of beauty.
It's about to come together real quick. That's what's going to be crazy. Is we've been waiting for weeks and weeks and weeks for these windows, right? I mean, it's been like forever. We've been waiting for these windows. And John, the way he works is he gets all the pieces ready and then he just like puts them all together. So we're going to come up here like in 2 days and all the windows will be ready. It's going to be crazy.
Oh my goodness.